G'day guys, we've got another build here that we just finished off for Rob and Jannette from Victoria. They approached us wanting the full vehicle package put together. We've done a fit out of accessories, we've put a tray on the back, and soon they'll be getting their Jackson's hard lid Carry Me camper. Now that we've finished the build, let's go through some of the finer details. Up the front, we've got the ARB Large Tube Deluxe bar. This one's in the satin black finish. We've bolted on a pair of Ultravision 140 Maxx driving lights. We've got the worn Zeon 12,000 pound winch, which is also accompanied by the Factor 55 UltraHook. We've got the ARB rated recovery point and an ARB bash plate as well. Following on from the ARB bar, we've got the matching Summit side rails and steps in the large tube with the satin black finish. We've got a Safari ARMAX snorkel for air intake. We've got a Rhino-Rack on top for some additional storage, and then we've got a pair of Clearview mirrors. These are the Powerfold, and they've been shortened so that they don't stick out so far as well. With the suspension package on this one, we've opted for the Jmacx coil conversion. This is a 4,200 kilo GVM. We convert the rear to coil springs, we fit a track corrected rear diff housing, and we've also gone with a set of King 2.5 remote res shock absorbers. To match up with the rear, we've got Jmacx set up in the front, consisting of a pair of coil springs, the billet radius arms, and also a set of King 2.5 adjustable shocks. This full GVM package is federally approved pre-rego under SSM. It's legal with 2 inches of lift and the 33-inch Mickey Thompson tyres, which are fitted up onto the ROH beadlock wheels. They give us the higher axle load rating required for the heavier GVM and axle loads. Underneath the back here, we've got the Hayman Reese X Bar, which provides a couple of inbuilt recovery points and a good skid plate to cover all your wiring so it's protected. We've got a Brown Davis 185 litre long range fuel tank and a Torque at 3.5-inch stainless exhaust, which works in conjunction with the Jmacx coil conversion. There's a new exhaust route to make way for the coil springs. It also gives us a free flowing system from the DPF back and a nice exhaust note as well. On the rear, we've got a Jackson's Australia tray setup, which is our sister company. It's a fully welded aluminium tray. It features a pod up the front, which goes in front of the Carry Me camper. One side is housing a spare tyre, and the other side is some shelving for additional storage. We've got drop-down side and rear gates for when the camper is not in use. Underneath, we've got a fully sealed rear drawer. We've got a water tank. We've got 4 under-tray toolboxes, which are completely sealed, and a pair of flared mud guards to suit the widened track from Jmacx. All of this has been colour coded in the Silver Pearl factory paint, which looks really neat and tidy. In the engine bay, we've got a Jmacx brake booster as part of our GVM upgrade package. For engine protection and driveline, we've got a fuel filter kit, a Provent catch can, and a set of diff breathers. We've also got a custom dual battery system. We've got the GME mast aerial, which is paired up with a GME XRS unit inside. Everything else interior related in this one has kept relatively plain Jane. So that's about all for this one, guys. Thanks to Rob and Jannette for choosing us to put this vehicle together. It's been our pleasure working with you. We can't wait for the camper to go on the back and then you guys can get out and enjoy this vehicle. For everyone else, if you want to see more of these videos, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and keep up to date with our latest builds.